This seems to be a hot topic on LinkedIn. More people are saying, how can I get more out of my marketing efforts for the same amount of spend? So one of the things that people are really diving into is website visit identification. So I'm doing the organic motion. I'm paying for all this paid traffic. I'm having traffic actually hit my website. So how can I get the most out of it? One of the things is person level visitor identification. So if someone comes to your website, this is your data. This is your website. It's almost like if you have an online store or if you have a physical store and people coming in and shopping. Imagine if they were all just anonymous. You didn't know who they were. You didn't know what they were looking at. You wouldn't have as much tools to be able to say, I'm attracting the right type of people into my store. Website visit identification tracks the IP addresses of people visiting your website. It cross-references that with a dozen plus other databases where that information already exists to pair that with actual people or companies. And in many cases, we can either find the individual that's visiting your website or the company that's visiting your website, and then we'll pair that and cross-reference it with a ton of other databases to stitch that together. It's really cool what Demand Sense came out with here with website visit identification. It shows me the actual people, the date they visited, their job title, what landing page on our website they visited, and then I have even their LinkedIn profiles for almost all of them. If I actually wanted to go to their specific LinkedIn profile, then I can jump in there and I can see media and entertainment exec, content strategy. This looks like a possible prospect that's visited my website. These are essentially uncovered or untapped sales leads because in most cases, only 3 to 6% of website visitors actually book a call or actually fill out a form. So there's another 93% of people that are visiting your website. This is actually really cool. And I can even rank it. I can sort this and find people who have visited the most in terms of how warm they are. Eventually, you could also put this in different buckets. Like these are prospects who are not in my CRM. These are current employees who are just working and showing client stuff. These are current clients looking at other services. And then you could curate and package your follow-ups to make the most of your website traffic. But if you didn't know their information or that you were able to uncover it, then you just wouldn't have access to those extra tools to get the most out of your marketing efforts.